Here is the Deluxe studio at the Riviera Resort. Here we have the closet. Pretty spacious. Has a nice safe laundry basket and some hangers. Have the nice double bathroom. You can shut that door so people can take 2 separate showers. You have a nice kitchen, kind of half kitchen. You have a refrigerator, coffee, a microwave as well. And you have your living area. You have your nice queen size bed with lights above the overhead. And you do have power outlets on each side for USB ports. You have a nice pull down bed. A kid can sleep there or an adult. And then right where that picture frame is, it pulls down to a twin size bed. And you have a nice little seating area. And then here's the balcony. Oh, if I can get the door open. And at nighttime you can see, you kind of see it at the Epcot ball. You can see fireworks for both Epcot and Magic Kingdom. And here you just have a nice view. You do got a little bit of patio furniture. Got a chair, 2 chairs and a table so you can enjoy some desserts on the balcony. And that's kind of it. Pretty nice room.